I don't care. You are you, I'm me. I don't care. You are you, I'm me. Problem. I don't care. You are you, I'm me. I don't care. You are you, I'm me.
Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to do my first video essay. So I'm going to present myself. My name is May. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. So I'm doing a lot of vlogs and makeup tutorials and fashion things on my channel, so be free to visit it. And I think I'm going to do more and more essays this year because I have a lot to say. First, we're going to talk for this first video essay of this year. I really wanted to talk about this phenomenon, which is Wonyoungism. I've heard about this like last year when it blew up on TikTok, and I really like the vibe, and I was like, there's so many things to say to this phenomenon, this lifestyle. I don't know how to label this. And I've seen this video of this girl, and I'm sorry I don't remember her name, but it was very cool. So I was like, okay, I think I have things to say too about this. So Wonyoung is a very young Korean idol in a very popular group, and when I say very popular, I really meant it. I love her songs. Anyways, well, Wonyoung, she has been famous for years because she started in survival show, and she has been in this band for like a year or something like that. Then we disbanded. She found an agency and became part of the group IVE. She's the face of the group, and I remember back in the days when I was listening about IVE, people always talk about IVE with Wonyoung. Like, it was always Wonyoung, IVE, Wonyoung. So this is why I'm going to tell you this is very interesting, because you have to understand that people hated Wonyoung. Last year, I don't remember when, but it blew up on TikTok because of a trend.
Innisfree green tea, go plump challenge. Plump, going, hydration, boost. Green tea, go plump challenge. Plump, going, hydration, boost.
She has a lot of brand deals. She's very beautiful, she's very confident, and she's very famous. We have this first trend, and then we have another trend that comes from nowhere.
No problem. I don't care. You are you, I'm me. No problem. I don't care. You are you, I'm me. I don't care. You are you, I'm me.
People are like, oh, I'm in my Wonyoungism era, oh, Wonyoungism, la la la, and I was like, what the hell is that? And you were seeing like girls showing their lifestyle, their makeup, and it was very coquette aesthetic, pink, girly vibes, and you know, a bit like I think it's the pink pillets princess aesthetic. Me, it was my ear. I was like, it is for me. My friends sent me this and she's like, girl, you should do a video. So I'm like, maybe I'm going to blow up. Me too. I want to be part of this trend. Please give me a place. So Wonyoungism is literally like, I think it's a lifestyle, a name for a lifestyle inspired by Wonyoung, where it makes like confidence, self-growth, preppy girly coquette aesthetic, makeup. It's lifestyle. And what is very interesting is you have to understand that Wonyoung has been known not in a very good way. Like, from my part, like, I didn't know who was Wonyoung even when she was in IVE, because I didn't know or care very much about IVE. Every time I heard about IVE, it always was with Wonyoung. Like, she was famous even before the group was created, so she was the face of the group, and people was like, I think like people, when we talked about Wonyoung and IVE, wasn't in a good way. The same trope with Jennie from Blackpink. Oh, she's the favorite, she always have the best looks, they put her in the light too much, you know. People were mad. Second thing, people were calling her a pygmy. You have to understand that people were saying that she was a pygmy. She was too confident.
딸기랑
소리가 오디오가 약간 텔레토비 동.
아 이러고 된다고?
And what is happening with Wonyoungism? It had like a shift. Like it wasn't about Wonyoung being a pygmy, being too confident. It was like she is the girl and we should follow her steps. Our fans are so invested. Like it was cute and funny to see. They did the work like for a K-pop star. Like when you make like your bias very popular or one of your 5 group popular, you're like, yes, we made it. I think we should talk about how Wonyoungism wasn't just about Wonyoung but also Sangjia from Single Inferno.
Innisfree green tea, go plump challenge. Plump, glowing, hydration, boost. Innisfree green tea, go plump challenge.
And what is very interesting with Sangjia and Wonyoung is they both have the same aesthetic, which is very preppy and coquette, and they are very confident. And the story with Sangjia, she was the it girl when Single Inferno started. I remember everyone talking about her instead of Single Inferno. And I really love her. I really love her vibe. And same, she has a lot of problems because at the same time she has a lot of haters. And I think it's because of jealousy. She's not the girl she says she is. She's not rich. She doesn't own like luxury brands. She's a liar. So she shut down all her social media. And I was so sad because I really wanted to follow her on YouTube, but she shut everything down. And now she's back and she's like powerful as ever. There's something I didn't know about. It was the health problems, issues, like the weight problems. I wasn't in the side of Wonyoungism. I didn't see it on TikTok, but the girl that made the video, she said that people were like saying to other like how to eat, what to eat, how to lose weight. Which I think, yes, it's very weird and harmful because there's so many kids on TikTok. And so I was like, you know, for me, maybe because I'm an adult, I'm not taking this seriously. It's just about like how to romanticize your life, you know. It's like cute, aesthetic, everything. So I was very shocked to hear about this. So yeah, don't listen to people to tell you how you should lose weight because I don't know. It's weird. For me, what shocked most about Wonyoungism, why people have to be so aggressive, like stan accounts. They were so aggressive. Like, why are you screaming at me? I was talking with this girl in the comment section. I was like, why do we have to be so aggressive? And she was like, one day I cried because of them. So I was like, no, like I don't understand, because the aesthetic is about, it's very soft, very like, you know, light, but how they talk to people, like it's very hardcore, very aggressive. You can feel very, very badly after, because it's very injunctional. Like, you have to do this, you have to wake up at 5 a.m, do this, you have to do that, you have to be like that, why are you not doing this, you're such a loser. Chill. The last thing, it's like it emphasizes a lot on perfection. You have to be perfect. You have to look always great. You have to be like this. You have to be like that at school. And me, I live like an adult. But you know, these girls were looking at this and were like, okay, so I'm going to be like this at school. I have to be always pretty. I have to be always like perfect. Then, when I was a teenager, act. I always have been a coquette girl, but not at this point. Like I didn't have to make up, and I don't really care. I was just living in my own world, you know. And but I like to wear some pretty things, like having pretty, like, you know, cool surprises. And with, I think, Wonyoungism, it's people are telling like young girls like, hey, you have to do this, you have to do that. Like it's not that deep. Like chill. What it made me fall in love with Wonyoungism is, first, I have to admit it, the aesthetic. I always has been a very feminine, a very girly girl, and you know, as a black girl, I've always felt like very, like, not weird, but you know, unique, but not in a very good way. Like I'm not like the other black girls telling me like, oh, your style is particular. And when I started social media, I was like, I couldn't like fit in, you know, because the hyper feminine aesthetic wasn't very trendy. Like with years, it's becoming trendy and more trendy and more trendy, but it wasn't. So I was in a niche of a niche because I was in a niche, but at the same I'm a black girl, so it was, you know, like pure self, very marginalized in social media. So it was very weird for me to find an audience and build a community and be very confident with my style. So with Wonyoungism, what I love is, first of all, the aesthetic, and second of all, the person. I don't know how to say, like, the storytelling in Wonyoungism is very about, because with Wonyoung, like, we can say that she had a lot of haters back in the days, and because she was confident, but now it's showing people that you need to be confident and you have to be. It's why would I not be confident in my own shoes? Why I will be like a victim of people like harassing me, people telling me I'm not pretty, people telling me I'm not enough and I'm not good. I like the self-care tips, the self-love tips. It's very interesting and it's very, like, it has a lot of motivational side to it. Second of all, like I said, to embrace your femininity. In conclusion, for me, I really love Wonyoungism. I'm going to be very honest with you. I'm literally in my Wonyoungism era. I'm really, like, about 2024. I'm going to embrace my femininity and going to share all my tips with my girlies. I love self-love. I love self-growth. I really want to give self-love and self-care tips to girls, to women. And so if you want to be part of this journey with me, like, just follow me, because I'm going to post a lot on YouTube. I've already started on Instagram. But what we should learn with Wonyoungism is, Wonyoungism is not just about Wonyoung. Like, Wonyoung just in, like, she is the face of this trend. So this is why, like, we don't have to take this, you don't have to take this too much seriously, or making like everything about her, or giving her this pressure that she is very tough, very I don't know how to say this, but very confident. Because what I've seen, like, she's very nice and cute. She really seems to be a very nice and cute girl and very chill, you know, contrary to what like Wonyoungism can give it. But she's confident too, you know. And what is cool is just romanticize your life, be you, do everything, do things that you like, and just learn to love yourself and to detach yourself what others sees and what other people say about you, because you're beautiful. I don't know what I'm ending this like that, but anyways, thank you for listening to me. I really hope it's going to be a great video, I hope, and that is going to be interesting. So thank you for listening to me, and if you want to see me more on your screen, just follow me, and maybe, no, not maybe, I'm going to do more video essays. Thank you, love you, bye.